Well, hello and welcome back to another show with the Crafty Hook. Again, my name is Nona and I am the creator of the channel. I'm glad that you all stopped by today. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I am going to go ahead and go over some yarn purchases that I did, kind of an unboxing, and that as I spoke previously in some of the videos that I've done, I really like hobby yarn, and I also like premier yarn, things like that. Hobby is probably one of my favorite because their yarn is so soft, it's easy to work with, and the amount of yarn that you get for the cost, I believe, is a really good deal. I'm going to go ahead and kind of show you some of the yarn I got over the weekend. This last weekend, I actually just pulled them out, kind of looked them over and that, and I want to share it with you. So, don't go away. Okay, so I went on the hobby website about a week ago and they had a lot of the yarn that I like to use on sale, so of course I had to take advantage of it, but shh, don't tell the hubby. And I found a lot of the yarns that I like on sale, and I thought I got to get a few more. One of them is the Hobby Universe here. And it's kind of it's got like a glittery look to it here. And I just love the colors. When you actually get this going or working on a whip, a project and that, I just love the way that the colors come out. So I got this roll here. It is a weight one, so I mainly use this like for small projects like little doilies, things like that, because of the weight is so thin. It is, on this roll, you get 505 yards on one roll. So, gotta love this yarn. Oh, and it's so soft. I mean, absolutely soft. Even with the little tinsel or glitter, whatever that is in there, you would think it'd be rough, but it's not. It's absolutely soft. So, I love that one. Another one, I have a few of these already, and this was one color I guess I didn't see the last time I placed the order, is the Carnival by Hobby. The Carnival yarn here. It is acrylic, polyacrylic, 100%. There is 262 yards, and it is a 3-weight yarn. I mean, but look at those colors. And it is so, oh my gosh, like I said, their yarn is just so soft. But this is another one, and I have a few different colors in these, which I will show in another video here. I just kind of wanted to show the ones that I had actually gotten in this unboxing. Another one I really like, and these ones I like mainly for when I do my blanket. Sometimes I even double up the 2 different colors, but I think it's a heck of a deal. Is the Hobby Mega Ball yarn. This yarn, oh my gosh, I can do so many projects out of one roll of this. This yarn, yeah, it's a weight 3 also, and it looks like 1,312 yards of yarn in one ball. I mean, it goes a long way, I'm telling you. And I ended up getting these 2. I thought they would kind of be good to go together. I got 2 of them, kind of the pink and the purple. But these, I can make so much different projects out of it. And I actually made an American flag blanket one time for a relative. So I got like 2 of these. 3 of these. I got the red, white, and the blue. And I made a king-size blanket, which I wish I still had it or took a picture of it, but I didn't. And they loved it. It fit their bed. It wasn't too heavy or anything because of the light weight of the 3-weight yarn on it. So definitely these, I believe, are regularly like $22 a roll. but definitely worth it. And sometimes, like during the holidays and that, they have like up to 60% off on a lot of their yarns, all of the different yarns on there. So right now they're having a January sale, and definitely need to go and check it out at hobbyyarn.com. And I'll put that in the description also. But their yarn is amazing if you haven't already used it. Another one, this is really one of my top 5 favorites, is the Hobby Horizon. Hobby Horizon yarn. I love the way that they blend these colors in this yarn. Like this one, you got your gray, your dark gray, your light brown, your dark brown, and then a little bit of white. When these actually start working with these yarns and get them in a hat even, or a scarf, I mainly like these for my scarves, my lightweight scarves, and the pattern just comes out so beautifully. But I got this one, and I also got this one in the Horizon also. Kind of a psychedelic one here. I thought this would be kind of fun for like a kid's scarf or hat, or even a small little lap blanket, but kind of cool colors going on there. But Hobby Yarn, like I said, is absolutely beautiful yarn to work with, so soft. And then my Premier yarn, as I stated, is my other favorite. I picked up these the other day, and it's the Premier Bloom Chunky Yarn. I don't know how many of you out there have worked with this yarn. I've worked with it a couple times. I actually made a really nice scarf out of this. This yarn has a pattern built into it, depending on how depending on what you're crocheting. It mainly comes out better mostly with like a single crochet or like a loom. If you're doing it on a loom, you want to do like a flat stitch or a wrap, because that's the best way it comes out for me. But these are patterned. These have like built-in patterns, and it comes out like that when you're crocheting it. So it's kind of cool because the pattern is actually built into these. So it's not like you got to sit there and figure out what type of a pattern you want to do, like different colors, things like that. This actually does the pattern for you. So this one here is the Premier Bloom Chunky and Sea Holly. This is the Sea Holly pattern. And then the next one, I have the Premier Bloom Chunky, the big roll. This one is a Snapdragon, and by Premier, the Bloom Chunky. I got a little bigger roll on this one because I think I'm going to do kind of a thick, chunky scarf on it. But this is the Snapdragon. And that's kind of how the pattern comes out, how on her scarf there she's got on. So it really comes together nicely, and it's pretty neat that the pattern's actually built into the yarn. So these are another one of my favorite. And then one more I got here. This one is a tulip. This is the tulip pattern by Premier Bloom Chunky Yarn. And this one I have done a scarf in on a loom. And that's kind of how the pattern comes out when you're crocheting it. I did it on a loom, and I did it with the garter stitch. And it came out. My granddaughter, I made it for my granddaughter, and she loved it. She said, Nana, this is so soft. It's really pretty. I love the colors, because pink is her favorite color, of course. So that's another one that I had gotten. So all of this, I mean, I just love it. I can't wait to make projects with it. Which my plan is on the channel, I think what I'm going to do is start picking patterns out of my pattern book and just kind of go step by step with you on tutorial videos, kind of show you different stitches as we move forward, stuff like that, and kind of go from there. So y'all, this is my yarn haul for this week. I'm glad that you all stopped by. If you liked that video, please give me that thumbs up. That helps me out in the channel. Leave me a comment below. Just say hi if you'd like, or what you're working on, what your favorite yarns are, things like that. And we will catch you on the next one. See you guys later. Bye-bye.